So in today's video, I'll show you how you can make anywhere from $200 to $500 per day right on YouTube. What's up, guys? It's Ayub from ViralWhirl, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a method that you can use to actually make some really good money and build a business on YouTube, okay? Just like I'm doing right now, and you could do the same exact thing, and what most people are doing in the internet marketing space. So basically, this method involves building up a YouTube channel anywhere from 500 to 1,000 subscribers. So for this method to actually work, you would need around, oh wait, that doesn't work. You would need around 500 to 1,000 subs. Okay, so getting 500 to 1,000 subs is really not that hard. Okay, it's not that hard at all. You can get that in like 3 weeks or 4 weeks if you work pretty hard on it. I have videos on my channel that you can watch. I'll link them right here, top right corner. It shows you how you can grow your channel anywhere from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in under 1 month. Okay, so you're gonna have to grow a channel from 0 to 1K in a month. After you've grown that channel, what you're going to be doing here is basically teaching people, okay? So you're teaching others on how to do anything, okay? It could be in any niche. You could teach people how to sew. You could teach people how to farm. You could teach people how to crypto, how to trade crypto. That's a good one. A lot of people have been doing that lately. You could teach people how to program. You could teach... Basically, you're going to have to teach people a subject, and you're going to be... You're gonna have to be knowledgeable in a subject, okay? So you're gonna have to be knowledgeable in a subject. So for example, for my channel, I'm knowledgeable within the internet marketing space, okay? I teach people how to make money online, how to grow their YouTube channel, how to build a business on YouTube. So that's my niche, okay? So for example, let's say you're teaching people how to let's say trade crypto, for example. So you have a channel based on teaching people how to... You have a channel based on teaching people how to trade crypto, okay? So you have videos on there, how-to videos teaching people how to trade crypto and all that good stuff. So basically, once you build that channel, once you start releasing videos on a daily basis, when you start being consistent, you're obviously going to start getting views on your videos, and those views are going to turn into subscribers. So you're going to have to build that subscriber base, like I said, to 500 to 1,000. So once you already have that subscriber base, how do you actually start making money from your channel besides AdSense? Okay, I'm not talking about AdSense here. AdSense is not going to pay you a lot when you have 1,000 subscribers or 500 subscribers. Okay, it's not going to pay you a lot, and you're not even going to be eligible to monetize your channel. Okay, so you're not going to be able to monetize your channel and make money through AdSense. So this is the only way that you can make money at the time. So once you have 501K subscribers, what you want to do is basically release an ebook. So an ebook is a 3-page book, an online book that teaches people more in depth. You can teach them other secrets that they want to know, secrets within the trade or within your niche. So for trading crypto, you simply make a book, an ebook, 3-page ebook or 4-page ebook, simply talking about let's say crypto secrets. Okay, that's the ebook name, Crypto Secrets. And what you're going to be doing here is basically linking to an opt-in page. Okay, so you're going to make a landing page, which is an opt-in page for that Crypto Secrets ebook, and people are going to have to opt in. So for example, like this. I'm pretty sure you've seen that before. If you go on my other videos or even this video, you're going to find that on my channel, I link to a landing page, okay? So I link to a landing page in all of my videos that you have to opt in. So you have to enter your email. And then you get what you signed up for. So on my landing pages, I have an opt-in for video lessons, okay? Video lessons on affiliate marketing. If you look at my other videos, that's what I have. So basically, that's what you're going to do. So you have a channel with 500 to 1,000 subscribers, and you built that opt-in page, okay? That opt-in page, and you have that 3-page or 4-page ebook. 4-page is the hotspot. You want to do that. So people are going to see that link in your description. They're going to be interested. If they're watching your videos, they're going to be interested in that link. They're going to see Crypto Secrets. You're going to tell them, download that here. They're going to go to that link. They're going to opt in, put in their email. and then they're going to get that ebook, okay, that ebook they asked for. And once you get their emails, that's like money right there, okay? That's a gold mine, okay? Once you have their email, that's a gold mine. So you want to just let that sit there for like 3 weeks or a month, okay? You want to leave that ebook. You want to leave that opt-in page for like a month, and you're going to build an email list, okay? You're going to build an email list of, let's say, 100 or 200. Doesn't really matter. You could still make good money with only 100 email list subscribers. So once you've built that subscriber list, once you built that following, that email list, what you're going to do is basically release a course, okay? It could be a mini course. It could be a full-on course that's going to be at a premium price, or it could be just like a mini 5-part video course that you can sell at a good price. So let's say, for example, you just release a mini course that has around 15 videos, okay? And in that mini course, again, you teach people about crypto. You teach people about the crypto secrets, about crypto trading, about crypto whatever, okay? Stuff that people want to see about crypto, stuff that people would pay for to see about crypto, okay? So once you have, like I said, that 100 email list subscribers that signed up for this ebook right here, they signed up for this ebook. But what you're going to do is basically sell them this mini course. Since they already signed up for that ebook, they're interested in that topic. They're interested in what you're offering. They're interested in what you're teaching. They're interested on your point of view within this niche. So that means they could easily buy that course from you. So what you do is basically, once you have that course ready, that mini course with 15 videos, you could launch that mini course. Mini courses usually go for anywhere from $27, I would say, to $47. So let's say you sell that mini course at $37. You sell that mini course for $37, okay? So if only 10 people out of that email list of 100 people, I'm not saying you're going to have an email list of 100 people, okay? You're going to have way more. Especially if you're getting a lot of views to your videos, you're going to have way more. I could get 100 email list subscribers in like one day, okay? I usually get that in one day, or even less. In like 12 hours, I usually have already 100 subscribers to my email lists. So like I said, you're going to be launching this course to your email list. Okay, so not only do you have an email list, what's good about this, not only do you have an email list to launch to, but you actually have a whole channel with a fan base. So a fan base of 500 to 1,000 people. So like I said, 500 to 1,000 subscribers. You can also launch that to them. So that mini course, you could launch it first to your email list. So your email list, you're going to be launching that course to them, that mini course, for $37. If only 10 people out of those 100 people buy, which is 10%, that's really high, but still, you could easily get that with a low amount of people, like 100 people. So 37, that would be $370, okay? $370 off a small launch that you built in only 1 month. Doesn't sound like a good amount of money. Now, $370 doesn't sound like a lot of money, but you have to understand, okay? You have to understand here. This is only from your email list, okay? And this is only if 10 people bought off your email list. You still have 1,000 subscribers that you could sell this mini course to, okay? 1,000 subscribers. And not only that, you're going to be getting daily views to your videos, okay? So daily traffic and daily eyes on your course. So not only are you getting sales from your email list, but you're getting sales from your videos, okay? You're getting sales from your YouTube channel. And if you know how to title your videos, if you know how to add good keywords, if you know how to have good SEO optimization, okay, you're easily going to get daily views on your videos that you uploaded a long time ago. So let's say you uploaded a video a month ago, you're still going to be getting views on that video. And as long as you have multiple videos, okay, multiple videos, and I'm saying like 20 to 70 videos getting views every day, you're going to have eyes on that course, okay? So your course is always going to be in the description, okay? You always want to link that course in the description. Tell people in the description, learn more about crypto here, and then you link them to your landing page to that course. So that mini course, that's $37. Like I said, it could be a mini course, or it could be a full-on course for $1,000. But for selling $1,000 courses, you're going to have to run webinars and everything. I could get that to a later video. If you guys want me to talk about how to sell courses at premium prices, so $300 and up, I can do that in a later video. I can show you guys how to do that with webinars, with funnels and everything else. If you want that, comment that down below and I'll do that for you guys. But this is for only selling mini courses. So $37 courses, you can link that basically in your description of every video that you've uploaded. So if every video is getting views every day, that's a good thing. You're getting traffic to that mini course, okay? So if you're getting views every day to your videos, that's free traffic that you're getting every day to that mini course, okay? And as long as you keep getting eyes on that mini course, you're going to get sales, okay? I promise you, if you have at least 100 videos on your channel getting views every day, and when I say getting views, it doesn't matter, okay? As long as they're getting 10 views each, 5 views each, 20 views each, you don't have to have a big amount. As long as they're getting views, you're going to get views on your course, and hopefully you're going to get sales. Okay, so let's say you have 100 videos up on your channel, okay, and then you have 10 views on each video, and then you have 10 views on each video that you're getting. So you have 100 videos, and you have 10 views that you're getting every day on every single of those 100 videos, okay? That's 1,000 views that you're getting every single day, and 1,000 views that you're getting on that link. Okay, so if you have a conversion rate of 1%, meaning they actually click through and purchase the product, if you have a click-through rate and a conversion rate of 1%, they actually, those 1,000 people, 1% of those 1,000 people actually buy the course, that's 10 people every day. So that means you're getting $370 every single day through your videos, okay? You don't have to pay for Facebook ads. You don't have to pay for paid traffic. It's all on YouTube. That's what I love about YouTube, okay? You don't have to pay for traffic. You don't have to pay for paid ads. You have good traffic, good quality traffic right on there. People are searching for this stuff. They're interested in this topic. So what makes you think they're not going to buy your product, okay? They're going to buy it most of the time. I'm living proof. I have a course out on my channel, and I run affiliate products on my channel, and I always get sales because people are searching for that stuff. So like I said, if you could get 1,000 views every single day on your channel, you're going to have 1,000 people viewing that link in your description. And if only 1% of people go ahead and buy through, there you go, $370 every single day. $370 every single day in 1 month, that's like $11,000. That's really good money. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go out and make $11,000 each month. That depends on how many views you get, okay? So the more targeted views, the more easier it's going to get to $11,000 each month. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's basically how I make money on my channel. I basically make videos to get views on links that I post in my description. So affiliate links to my course, and that's how I do it. I usually do how-to videos. So this video that you're watching right now, a lot of people are going to land on this video, and basically they're going to click the links in my description, and it's going to take them to either my course or an affiliate program that I'm promoting, and I'm going to make money through that. Okay, so it's that easy, guys. So like I said, guys, my second channel that I'm launching is in the description. Make sure you subscribe to it because I'm going to have more value videos like this on that channel than this channel, okay? I'm going to be basically posting videos every day on that channel about making money online. Because people on this channel are usually here for how to get views on YouTube. They want to learn that, and they want to learn how to get views on YouTube and how to get views on Instagram. But on that channel, I'm just going to focus on how to make money online through your YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to that channel. It's in the description. It's in the link in the description. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to start posting videos every single day, value videos just like this, teaching you how to grow a business right on your YouTube channel and all that. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you comment them down below, and I'll try to get them done in the next video. Like, promoting videos through like promoting a course through webinars on your YouTube channel. A lot of people are confused on how to do that, but I can show you how to do the exact same thing. Go ahead and comment down below what you want to see, and I'll do that in my next video. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you're confused, go comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And that's it, guys. See you next time. Peace.